Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw thick straight line in PowerPoint. There are several effective ways to insert a thick line in PowerPoint, whether you want a standard straight line or a more customized look for your project. So this is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. For this you need to click on the insert on the top ribbon and click on the shapes and click on this line, and now hold down the shift key and draw a straight line. So when you draw the straight line, you will see that shape format will appear in the ribbon. Click on that, and in the shape styles you need to click on the shape outline, and first you need to select the color of your choice, for example this brown color, and then again click on the shape outlines and click on the weight, and here you can select the 6 pt. So this is the thick straight line. But if you want the customized thickness of the straight line, for this you need to click on the shape outline, click on the weight and click on the more lines, and on the right side you will see that under the line you need to expand this, and here is the width. You need to click inside the box and type the customized width size, for example 15, and click enter, and here you can see that a thick straight line is inserted in PowerPoint. You can increase or decrease the transparency from here, and even you can change the color as well from here. So you can also use some pre-built shape styles, and here is the some theme styles which you want to select if you want to. These are the presets straight lines. So with this way you can easily draw thick straight line in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.